Hey YouTube, this is Bad Dude Curtis, and this is my little brother. This is his airsoft mortar.
Rocket launcher.
Oh, rocket launcher. Okay.
So I'm loading it now.
He's loading it now. Faggot. Pussy ass bitch.
So this is the projectile. It's a mini tennis ball wrapped in duct tape because it was too small. So I just kind of made it bigger with the duct tape. There's a stick to shove it down there. And then you load it with an air compressor or a bike pump. About that much. And I'll probably do a different video showing you how to make this. And this is just a shooting test, so it's not going to be this video. Whoa. Sorry, we have an amateur cameraman. I'm going to be shooting it into that wall. Ready? Go.
This is Bad Dude Curtis and his little brother on airsoft rocket launchers.